Guys, we are here like, oh my God. Oh.
Last week on the vlog, we got to experience the most treacherous, the most hard, but the most iconic hike of our life. Shout out to Stella and Okedi for joining us in this journey. However, this week we are completing the hike and getting to experience the waterfall in all its glory.
Woo, look at, okay, just look at how clear that is. So we are climbing down now. You know when you're going up a hike, that is Stella Chanelli. When you're going up a hike, you're excited, like you're motivated by...
The ants again, they are here. Please don't step inside.
There are more ants. Okay.
Don't step inside.
Yeah. So when you're going up a hike, like you're super excited about the view, right? So it amps you, it keeps you going. Going down, I don't know how to motivate myself. I'm like, yeah, we're almost going home. So, Vim. Let me see you, the bugao. Oh, la, la, la. Let me see you. Oh, la, la, la. Bugao. It's so beautiful, like it's so beautiful. Let me know if you would like to see, let me know if you'd like to see me getting out of Accra or getting out of my shell. I feel like, well, we were having a conversation with the ladies in the evening and they were like, yeah, you do travel, you do interviews and stuff and people are getting to know you of that. And I was like, yeah, because one, I'm a journalist. So there's always that part of me where you still want to, okay, let me remove my glasses so you can see my eyes. There's that part of you where you still want to be a journalist and practice what you love. But like, I'm sure there's like another side of me that is fun and bubbly. And I just need to get to a place where I can trust you guys enough to be able to show you all my other sides, okay? So yeah. We're about to start descending on a like slightly dangerous spot, so cameras off, let's focus. The part is over, so we are descending and we're going to the waterfalls. It's very scenic, it's very beautiful. Yeah, so let's keep putting in the work. Sorry, babe. This stretch is brutal, like it's a brutal stretch, but we made it. We've come from so far and here we are. So I don't have a swimsuit. I also don't know how to swim, so yeah, but the ladies will swim on our behalf. So this is the second last bridge we will be crossing before we get to the waterfall. So one more bridge and then we'll be at the waterfall. So excited. I guess it's hiding. It doesn't want to be seen. So let's keep walking. We must see the waterfalls. We've been walking for hours, like hours. It's been like over 2 hours. We started the hike at 7 in the morning. It's about 9:30 something. So It's been one treacherous journey. Yeah, we're almost there. Keep the hope alive. Guys, we are here like, oh my God. Oh, oh my God, it's so big and it's so like powerful. Like you can feel the sprinkles of water on your face. Waterfall is done. Stella, Okedi is behind there. Unfortunately, we weren't able to run the drone because, what was it saying?
It says maximum altitude reach. I kept trying. It didn't work. I don't know.
I think, yes, the wind and the water was too much maybe. Yeah, so we're going back, but it was a worth it experience. The water was cold.
Very cold.
I heard you saying the water is cold and I was like, ah, she can't be serious.
It was like freezing cold.
Yes, the water was really cold, but I think it was worth it.
It is a bit wet. You
Yeah.
must.
Yes.
Whenever you're in Ghana, I'll encourage
I
you
feel
to
like
come here.
do the hike and then come to
Come
the
and refresh.
waterfall. Like don't come to the waterfall immediately, right? So that the experience is holistic.
You have both experiences.
Yes. Walking, we are crossing the third bridge, 6 more to go. And then we'll be back to where it all started. But so far, so good. The terrain is not as rugged, so the body can endure. But the thing is, I was in the cold water for too long, so my feet are sort of numb, you know. So like when I'm walking is a little bit difficult, but besides that, I think it's not that bad. It's not that bad. We're heading to the last bridge. And then, yeah. So we're almost getting out of the forest. Is it a forest or the hike tree? Yeah. It's been amazing. It's been so nice. It's been so much fun. Yeah. And just like that, we've crossed the last bridge and we're out. We're out, we are done with the nature trail. It's been so amazing. It's been so amazing coming here, doing this with you guys.
Okay, tell her that.
From the hike to the waterfalls. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. We will see you guys
We're about to show her.
in the next vlog. Bye guys.